Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving into the process of replacing the control panel on your Thermomix TM31. This repair can restore functionality and extend the life of your appliance. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Having a small container for screws can also be helpful to keep everything organized. Step 2. Safety first. Before beginning any repairs, make sure to unplug your Thermomix TM31. This is crucial to ensure your safety while working on the device. Step 3. Remove the base. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in your container. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off. If you're unsure about doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can consult with us anytime. Step 4. Accessing the control panel. Next, locate the control panel. You'll find it secured with additional screws. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Take your time to avoid stripping the screws. Step 5. Disconnecting the old panel. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the old control panel away from the device. Be cautious of any wiring connected to it. If you feel uncomfortable with this step, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get help without any hassle. Step 6. Cleaning internally. Before installing the new panel, take a moment to clean the internal area. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or residue. This can prevent issues in the future and improve the performance of your Thermomix. Step 7. Installing the new control panel. Now, take your new control panel and align it with the connectors in your Thermomix. Ensure that it fits snugly. Once aligned, connect any wiring that was previously attached to the old panel. Remember, we provide a quote before repair if you need assistance with this step. Step 8. Securing the panel. After connecting the wiring, secure the new control panel in place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the panel. Step 9. Reattach the base. With the new panel secured, it's time to reattach the base. Align it properly and screw it back into place using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure all screws are tight to prevent any movement. Step 10. Final checks. Before plugging your Thermomix back in, double-check that everything is securely fastened. Once satisfied, plug it in and power it on to test the new control panel. If at any point you feel stuck or unsure, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team is here to assist you with professional services, ensuring you have a smooth experience. Plus, with no calls and no travel involved, repairs are easier than ever. That's it. You've successfully replaced the control panel on your Thermomix TM31. With these simple steps, you can save money and extend the life of your appliance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.